Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2016 Nissan Rogue SL. Beautiful pearl white in color. Loaded with option. Got the backup camera, power liftgate. Low miles. This one has the 4-camera system. Shows you like an overhead shot. Got camera in front, on the side, and the back. It's got automatic headlights, fog lights. It's got a Clean Carfax, Southern vehicle, no rust, non-smoker. It's got the passive active key. You can unlock or lock it by pushing this button as long as the key fob is nearby. It's got blind spot monitor system, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This is your blind spot. That's flash orange. It's got nice heated leather seats in good condition, no issues. It's got clean carpets and floor mats. Tilt steering. We got push start, or you just put your phone to brake. It's only got 28,000. Well, there's the key. I guess it was only 28,290 miles. Very low miles. Got cruise control. There's all your audio controls on the steering wheel. It's got AM, FM, CD, XM satellite, Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. It's a Bose sound system, so it sounds really good. Got your navigation system. There's a camera system. As you can see, I'm moving and it shows you all around you. Got all your apps like Cirrus Traffic. You have to subscribe for all that, but it's all here. And there's AM, FM, Cirrus, you have to subscribe, CD, auxiliary input, dual climate control, automatic dual climate control. There's your automatic transmission, USB auxiliary input, 12-volt outlet, heated seat with some real buttons, very nice, plenty of storage, another 12-volt outlet in here, owner's manual. This was a 32.9 unit. It's got the premium package, forward emergency braking system, panoramic sunroof. This is what Carfax thinks I should be asking. I'm well below that. The interior's just like new. Got your home link garage door opener, auto dimming rearview mirror, your compass. How about this roof? Very cool. And it's got a power shade. Just push a button and it just closes the whole thing. Very nice. These got quite a bit of room. They look small on the outside, but they're not. Lots of leg room, comfortable seating. These seats lay down forward for some extra space. Again, clean carpets and floor mats. You've got vents here to keep everyone comfortable. What size are these? What did I say they were? They're 18-inch. Good looking wheels. This you can do with the button here or push the button on the remote. The power liftgate's really nice. It's handy when you got your hands full of grocery. This one has a cargo shade. Keep your valuables hidden. Keep the sun off stuff in the summertime. It's got a storage system under here. I believe that's a 12-volt outlet. Yep. Very nice. Then you can push the button here. I've sold quite a few of these. Everyone likes them. They're reliable, affordable, just a good looking vehicle. Got a nice clean engine compartment. 4-cylinder engine. I believe it's 2.5. I'm not sure. I forgot. You have to look at the description. Plenty of power. Reliable. This one still has the factory warranty left. It's got a little bit of the bumper to bumper warranty left. And then you got the 5-year 60,000 miles on the powertrain. But this one qualifies for the certification from ALLSTATE. So beyond that, you get the 24 months, 100,000 on the powertrain. And since it's been certified, that means it's been inspected and make sure everything works like it's supposed to. You also have a chance to wrap the warranty and get you 100,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty for not that much money. We can talk about that when you come over. But it is a certified pre-owned vehicle. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. I have a credit application on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Also, to see if this Rogue's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Looking for a sharp luxury SUV at an affordable price? I believe you found it. Give us a call or come and see us. Thank you for watching.